Grating some ginger into our coconut. We have some freshly grated coconut here. We're going to add in some ginger.
It's a bit yummy.
Yummy. So this is fresh ginger, so I think that's about good there. Oops.
You're losing it.
It's running away, JJ. All right, so we want to get all of this out. RJ, come over here. You need to learn this recipe. So the next step is that we're going to get our coconut and our ginger in the pan, and we're going to cook this. For a few minutes. Get all of it out. We don't want to waste our coconut. Okay, and to that, you can turn, babe. To our coconut, we are going to add some cinnamon. Then we're going to add half a cup of brown sugar. Actually, for this amount, I'm going to add another quarter. So 3/4 cups of sugar. And then our next ingredient is going to be some food coloring, and we're using red. So just some tiny drops that we want to put. We're going to mix that in and see how our color is looking, and then add some more as needed. Okay, try to fold it in, Jay. Just keep mixing it in until it's nice and toasted. Okay, that's looking good. You're losing a lot of this yummy goodness. That's looking good. So I think we're good. We turn the fire off. We're going to just let this cool for a minute on the side, and we move on to our dough. All right. So now that our coconut is finished and it's cooling for a minute, we're going to go ahead and melt like 2 tablespoons of butter. We don't want it too melted, but soft. We need to get it softened. Watery wet. Okay, and then it's time to get our dough on the counter. We're gonna roll this out.
Softened butter.
Awesome.
Accomplished.
Great job. Now we need a rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Okay. We need a brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of flour on my hand so it doesn't stick so much, and then we're just gonna punch that in, which is looking really good. Awesome. Thank you. Yes. That's how you would do it, Jay. Oh, I made a heart. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's a perfect heart. But I'm breaking it up.
Oh.
Think so?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to get our dough rolled out. You want to try rolling?
I'm gonna roll it.
Okay, go for it. Go ahead. I'll put this bowl in the sink in the meantime. Okay. All right. So when we're rolling, we're going to roll evenly. Okay. We are not trying to
Make a circle.
No, we're not going like this. You go one time and you roll again. So the dough is very delicate and we don't want to I was going to say over knead it, but in this case we're rolling. So we don't want to like handle it too much. Okay, you got to keep that in mind. Dough is very delicate, so we got to work with it appropriately. So gonna pour our coconuts into the pan. I think we made too much coconuts, but that's okay. We can make some more another day. This does not go bad. All you need to do is put it in a Ziploc and into the freezer if you have leftover, and you could reuse for another day. I think I want to try it. Okay, that's you don't need to flip it again. Just roll it out and make sure you get like a even right here. Roll this part out a little so it's even. In the meantime, I will taste the coconut. Make sure we have enough sugar in there. That's so good. I think we're good there, Jay. Okay, we don't want to over roll, babe. Okay, we're done with the rolling pin. So we can put that away. That coconut is so good. So nutty, and the sugar and the cinnamon. Great. All right, so the next step, we have our butter that's softened. I think we need to be softened a little bit more. We're just gonna brush some on our dough. Nice job, Jay. Just evenly everywhere.
All along the corners.
That's good. Let's set that aside, and now it's time to get our coconut on there.
Coconut time.
Still a little warm, but cool enough to place on our dough. So we're gently going to brush some on. Smells so good, right?
You can just eat it just from there.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yummy.
Okay, so we're just going to spread this out.
What you put? Better taste.
I think we're just going to put all of it. There you go, buddy. You need a cutter. If you have a pizza cutter, that works great. That's what we're using. Or if you don't, the knife works as well. Okay, got our pan, and you're making some marks.
Measuring.
Measuring. Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so we need to come out a little bit more so our corner pieces could have enough as well. Okay, go ahead. We go straight. Don't press too much.
1. All finished. Now.
All right. So now that our dough is rolled out, Jay cut them somewhat evenly. It's okay. No big deal. We're going to put some milk in the bottom of our pan. Just want to coat the bottom with some milk. And then we start rolling. So we're going to roll. I think I want to cut some of this corner out. Just on this one because there's a lot there. Roll. So perfect size. And then we go
side by side.
Side by side. So we have enough for 3. Or we'll figure it out as we go. We keep rolling. These are looking so good. It smells so delicious. Corner. Ready? Ready? Set. Go.
You started before me.
No, I didn't. I told you.
I finished first.
Oh, you rolled. This looks so good. I want to eat it right now.
But you can't. It's raw.
Okay. Need some space?
This one looks to be a little fatter than the rest.
Because these ones were from the corner, so it's a little... Now we have some extra coconut that I'm just going to drizzle in the bottom. And now we pour our milk. Good job. Looking so good. Okay.
That should be it.
And I'm going to drizzle some more coconut. Ready? Just some extra coconut on the top. Don't play with your food, Aiden, ever.
You're playing with your food.
Good. My phone? So we're going to cover everything back up and let it sit and rise for a few more minutes before it goes in the oven. All right, our coconut cinnamon is rising beautifully and it's been about 30 minutes or so. So we're going to go ahead and get this in the oven. All right, guys, our coconut cinnamon bun is finished and it's time to get it out of the oven. If you guys could only smell in here, oh my gosh. Oh, we need something to place it on, Jay. Wait, let me go over here. Not ready, not ready. There we go. It smells so good. Now we just need to make a little topping, like a little sauce that Jay's putting together. We have some milk. We have a little bit of condensed milk and a teaspoon of butter. We're going to warm and pour it. We're going to warm it up and pour it over. Woo! Pour it over our coconut buns. Just looking so good. It's like flowing over here. All right, give that a little mix. I can't wait to eat this. It smells so good. What do you think?
I want to eat it now.
Mm-hmm. You ready, buddy?
All ready.
You want to pour or I'm pouring?
You pour.
Okay. Let's start from the back. Just want to get a little bit on everything. Swirl, right?
Yes.
I don't want to run out and not have for everything. Ooh, I'm spilling.
Spill more.
Yum. We just gotta let it cool for like a few minutes because it's super hot right now.
Yes.
Even though somebody wants to eat, we gotta wait. All right, this is.
I want to pick it.
All right, go for it.
I want the big one.
Ooh, that's a big one. I know maybe it looks a little weird because there's no cream cheese icing layered on it.
I might need some help.
But, ooh, the pan is so hot. But you don't need it with this filling and with the butter and condensed milk that we poured on top of it a minute ago. It's going to be perfect. Ooh. Perfecto. Okay, so we're going to...
I like touching them. Then I want to wash my hands.
All right, it is still a little warm, but I'm going to break... Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's just falling apart. Look at that. Just falling apart. Could it be a little redder? Maybe, but we don't want too much food coloring in our stuff, in our food. This is just perfect. Like the layers are just perfectly falling apart. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Wow, that was a big bite. Yum?
Yummy.
Oh my gosh. Mm. It's so good.
Another bite.
Mm.
Yummy.
Bite.
It's hot.
Hot? So good.
But it melts in your mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
This is the best cinnamon bun that we've ever made.
Bye-bye.
Literally the best cinnamon bun we've ever made. Oh my gosh, the coconut, all those spices in there, the ginger, perfect, just enough. You guys, I cannot wait for you to try this. It's mind-blowing how delicious this cinnabon is. I don't know if it's the ginger, the cinnamon, the coconut, the milk, everything works perfectly together. It's so soft, like so soft. Awesome.
This is mine.
While Aiden's trying to run away with his piece, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video all the way through. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Most of you that are watching are not subscribed to our channel. Consider subscribing if you like the type of videos that we make. We will continue to create more recipes and sharing it with all of you. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.